Mistplay referrals only work if the new user signs up through your referral link and completes the required setup correctly. By the end of this, you'll know why your referral didn't credit, what to check, and how to avoid it next time. The first thing to check is how the referral was used. Mistplay tracks referrals through a unique invite link or code. If the person downloaded Mistplay directly from the Google Play Store without your link, or forgot to enter your code during signup, the referral may not connect to your account. That is the most common reason credits fail. Next, confirm they were actually a new user. Mistplay referrals are usually for first-time accounts only. If the person already had Mistplay installed before, even on the same device with a different account, the system may reject the referral. Duplicate account detection can block it too. Now check if they finish setup. Signing up alone may not be enough. The new user usually needs to create the account completely, install a game through Mistplay, and start playing before the referral gets recognized. If they stopped before that step, your credit may never trigger. Another thing to check is timing. Referral rewards do not always appear instantly. Mistplay may need time to verify the account, gameplay activity and fraud checks before crediting it. That means you may need to wait for the system to process it. Next, check if either of you used a VPN. Mistplay tracks IP addresses and location consistency. If either account was connected through a VPN, the referral can be flagged or delayed. Turn off VPNs and avoid switching locations during setup. If everything was done correctly and the referral still didn't credit, contact support. Go to Profile, then Support inside Mistplay. Send your referral code, the friend signup email, if they're comfortable sharing it, and screenshots showing the invite link or code used. That gives support enough information to trace the referral. Do not create another account to retry the same referral. That can trigger duplicate account restrictions and make the problem worse. So the main fixes are simple. Confirm the link was used, make sure it was a new account, and verify setup was completed. Start by checking how the app was installed first, because that breaks referrals most often. If this helped, like the video and subscribe for more quick app fixes.